Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, it's going to be about the 16-year-old that is allegedly off the 6-year-old penis. And I've did this video 3 times, and every time I did this video, the devil is alive and well. It has come up that the file is corrupted. So if you see me in another place in another minute, that's probably why. I'm sorry if this video is a bit choppy. It says a 6-year-old St. Thomas child remains hospitalized after he was stabbed several times and his penis amputated allegedly by a 16-year-old boy in their community last evening. It is reported that sometime yesterday evening, the father of the 6-year-old boy noticed he was missing and started making enquiries into his whereabouts. The father learned that the boy was last seen in the community of a teen perpetrator and went to the home where he found his child laying unconscious in nearby bushes. The little boy had stab wound to his forehead, bruises to his eye, a cut on his hand, and his penis was amputated. The child was rushed to the Princess Margaret Hospital where he was treated and later transferred to the Bustamante Hospital for Children in Kingston. The 16-year-old boy has since been taken into custody. According to the police, the accused currently has a pending case before the court for allegedly molesting another boy. So this is where I'm gonna blame the parents. And Kai is in here if you can hear him. If you have a child that is 6 years old, why are you letting that child play with a 16-year-old? They have a 10-year difference. Also, why are you letting a person that is accused of molesting another boy play with your child, and you can't even see your child to know what he or she is doing? So I blame the parents. Okay, also know that Jamaica is not like how it used to be, where everybody used to look out for everyone's child. They're only concerned about their family child and their own child, and that is that. Okay. And I like the old days. You have to be a parent. You have to be accountable for your child whereabouts. I don't know how I would live knowing that my child's sexual organ is now amputated. What type of life would he have? How would he function as a male, especially in a harsh society like Jamaica, and how they treat men?
I also feel like this little boy is hurt, and somebody probably hurt him, molested him, did something to him, and that's why he's hurting other kids. And also, mental illness is a big thing in Jamaica. Mental illness is let me repeat that. Mental illness is a big thing in Jamaica that we as a people do not like to talk about. That it's kind of like taboo. Them rather say somebody obey you than actually saying that you have a mental illness in a Jamaica. So these are the issues that we need to address. And also, we need to start protecting our boys more. A lot of times we protect the females, we hold them close to home. The females, them have 5 million rules and regulation, and most of the times they let the boys out willy-nilly, and a lot of stuff happen to them, and they don't talk about it because they live in a country or a culture where they can't show emotions, they can't show their feelings, and if something happens to them, they feel like they don't have anybody to talk to. And especially where boys and older females are concerned in Jamaica, that is a big issues, because I know a lot of Jamaican men who lost their virginity or their first sexual experience was with a woman that was way older than them. I didn't even realize this until I was having a conversation with my husband and actually thinking about all the males in my family and all the stories I've heard and everything that I know from they've talked about, and realize that a lot of Jamaican men's sexual experiences or first sexual experiences are with older women. Quite frankly, majority of the time, if you're talking in judicial terms, it would be considered rape. So that is also an issue that we need to address as based on our culture. A lot of the men don't say anything about it, and quite frankly, I feel like this 16-year-old boy is no different. Somebody did something very bad to him and he is doing it to other kids. Anyways, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that it has to do with mental illness, why this little boy did this? Do you think that he is hurt or somebody hurt him and he is reacting to the hurt that he has been through and doing it to other people? Do you think that a lot of Jamaican men first sexual experience was with older women, and Jamaican kids, especially the boys, need to be protected more? What are your thoughts on those? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.